today class on virus. Now, today class on virus. 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 The name of virus. The name of virus. The name of virus was coined. The name of virus was coined. Was coined. C-O-I-N-D. Coined from the Latin word. From the Latin word. From the Latin word. Latin word meaning. Its meaning poison. P-O-I-S-N, poison, or slimy, S-L-I-M-Y, slimy, liquid. Virus. The name of virus was coined from the Latin word meaning poison or slimy liquid. Virus. What is virus? What is virus? Virus is a small infectious agent. Virus is a small infectious agent. Virus is made up of a core of agent. Virus is made of a core of genetic material either DNA or RNA. Nucleic acid. Virus is made of a core of genetic material, either DNA or RNA, nucleic acid. By a protective coat, by a protective coat called a capsid, which is made of a protein. Now question from here. What is the virus? Virus is a small infectious agent. Virus is made of a core of genetic material, either DNA or RNA or nucleic acid, by a protective coat called a capsid, which is made of a protein, that is virus. Now next question from virus. Virus was first discovered by a Russian botanist Dmitry Inovsky, Dmitry Inovsky, 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 Dmitry in 1892. The virus was discovered by Russian botanist Dmitry Inovsky in the year in 1892. In 1892. Now next question from virus. The term virus was coined by the Dutch microbiologist and botanist Martinus. The term virus was coined by Dutch microbiologist and botanist Martinus Willem Beijering. Martinus Willem Beijering, who coined the term virus. Now next question. Virus. Two scientists, Dmitry Ivanovsky and Martinus Willem Beijering contributed two scientists, Dmitry Ivanovsky and Martinus Willem Beijering, contributed the discovery of the first virus, tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus. Tobacco mosaic virus was first identified by Dmitry Ivanovsky in the year 1892 and Martinus Willem Beijering discovered the tobacco mosaic virus in the year 1898. Martinus Beijering. Now next question. Tobacco mosaic virus known as the tobacco mosaic virus known as the first plant virus. Tobacco mosaic virus tobacco mosaic virus is a positive sense from a single standard RNA virus. RNA virus. Tobacco mosaic virus, known as the first plant virus. Tobacco mosaic virus is a positive sense single stranded RNA virus. Tobacco mosaic virus. Now, yellow fever virus. Yellow fever virus. Yellow fever virus. Yellow fever virus. Yellow fever virus, known as the yellow fever virus, known as the first human virus. Yellow fever virus. Yellow fever virus, known as the first human virus. USA Army physician Walter Reed discovered that the causes of yellow fever virus, causes of yellow fever virus. Walter Reed. Yellow fever virus was identified by USA physician Walter Reed. Yellow fever virus, now the first human virus, USA Army physician Walter Reed discovered, and that is called identified the cause of the yellow fever virus. Yellow fever virus. Now next question on virus. Foot and mouth disease. Foot and mouth disease virus, known as the first animal virus. Animal virus. Cattle, pigs, goats, and sheep are affected by foot and mouth disease. Foot and mouth disease virus. Foot and mouth disease virus, known as the first animal virus. Cattle, pigs, goats, and sheep are affected by foot and mouth disease virus. Now next question, viral diseases. Viral diseases. Viral disease. Viral disease. Viral disease causes. Viral disease causes many human diseases. Many human diseases. Viral diseases causes many human diseases. Now first, smallpox. Smallpox is a virus disease. Smallpox, rabies, Hanta fever. First, Ebola and Hanta fever. Ebola and Hanta fever. Zika virus. Now fifth number, rubella virus. Sixth, chickenpox. Measles. SARS. 9. SARS COVID-19. COVID-19 and 10th, dengue. Dengue, that is a virus disease. Dengue. Now question from dengue. Dengue is a mosquito. Dengue is a mosquito borne viral disease that spread to people through the bite of an infected Aedes aegypti mosquito. Aedes aegypti mosquito, that is carried the dengue fever. Now next question. Now on virus, airborne diseases. There are many. Now next question. airborne diseases. There are three main types of there are three main types of organism that can cause airborne diseases, including virus, bacteria, and fungi. Airborne disease. There are three main types of organisms that can cause airborne diseases, including virus, bacteria, and fungi. Now, airborne disease. Some airborne disease names. First, influenza. Influenza is airborne disease. Now next, chickenpox. Airborne disease. Third is mumps. Mumps, airborne disease. And for measles, airborne disease. First, tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is a airborne disease. Whooping cough, airborne disease. Diphtheria. Now diphtheria are the some important questions from airborne disease. Influenza, chickenpox, mumps, measles, tuberculosis, whooping cough, and diphtheria are the airborne disease. Some important airborne disease. Exam point of view.